for the week, everyone. It's Monday, the 26th of July, and you're listening to Ainsley News. Today we're talking silver demand surges and the COMEX ETFs bleed. Silver is seeing a surge in demand across a number of fronts, including both investment and commercial users. Perth Mint just revealed their silver sales in June were their third highest month on record at 1.82 million ounces, or nearly 57 tonne. A 7.2% increase on May and 15.8% increase year on year. The two higher months were 1.83 million ounces in March of this year and 3.35 million in September 2005, near the bottom of the market. June, also marking the end of the first half of the year, saw 9.92 million ounces for H1, up 16.8% year on year. This is from Perth Mint themselves. Despite the correction in gold and silver prices, investors are still turning to precious metals, with many looking to take advantage of the recent weakness to build their holdings. This can be seen in the demand for gold and silver seen across the Perth Mint product range, especially minted product sales, which recorded another strong month in June. And we have ended with another stellar month for our silver products. The market momentum meant that we sold all the silver coins that we could make in June. Wow, that's amazing. The total silver holdings in all known depositories such as ETFs, COMEX and mutual funds saw another week of net deposits of 4.9 million ounces. Over the last 4 weeks, a massive 5.3 million ounces of silver has been withdrawn from COMEX and SLV, the world's biggest ETF, on the combined basis of industrial demand and also likely in reaction to the silver squeeze movement, seeing people taking delivery of physical silver. The latter means it is still in play for investment, but not captured by these official numbers from reporting entities. Despite the 5.3 million ounces withdrawn, 10.7 million ounces were deposited. Hence, the still climbing blue line we're going to show you here in this chart. Here's the weekly transparent silver holdings chart. It's from Gold Charts. Whilst on COMEX, the latest commitment of traders report showed the commercial short position fell by 8,326 contracts, or 41.6 million ounces of paper futures silver. Here's some silver futures chart here to ponder. You will note how silver rallies after each dip in the net short position of the commercials, and so the current action bodes well. But it is in this next chart we're going to show you which always amazes and titillates at the extent the so-called Big Four bullion banks short this market. You can see just 4 banks are short 107 days of global silver production, and the top 8 at 140 days. That's nearly half a year of shorts. Here's the concentration of traders in the CFTC and what mischief they're up to. So to be extremely short in such a macroeconomic setup and demand seems incredibly risky. As Ed Steer says, they're stuck on the short side, and that's for the very simple reason that the managed money traders are no longer willing to go mega short like they used to in the past. Because of that, the big 4 out of 8 traders can't cover. The situation regarding the big 4 over 8 shorts continues to be beyond obscene, twisted and grotesque, especially the big 2 of 4 banks, as Ted Butler, famed silver COMEX analyst, correctly points out. Its resolution will be the sole determinant of precious metals prices going forward. If silver takes off, just as we saw in 2011, we see a massive short squeeze on these positions, forcing covering and acceleration of price rise. At some stage, natural order and market forces prevail. Indeed, great insight there on the silver market. As always, if you're interested in the physical stuff, jump over to ainsleyBullion.com.au. Ainsley's now open in Melbourne and Brisbane, so if you're down in Melbourne, you can place an order. Not that you might be able to pick it up with current COVID restrictions, but we're still operating as per normal. Interested in cryptocurrencies, jump over to ainsleywealth.com.au. BTC looks like it's just started to move up again. Could be a great time to jump on that bandwagon now. And if you're interested in a gold or silver-backed cryptocurrency, we've made one over at Ainsley Bullion. Check out goldsilverstandard.com. Enjoy your Monday, everyone, and we'll catch you tomorrow for more news.